the channel. Today I'm going to be getting ready with you all. I'm getting ready to film a video and I'm going to be talking to you guys about the top 5 wig styles that everybody needs in their wig closet. Okay, like these styles are versatile, they're universal, round the way type of wigs. Also going to give you examples of them, and then I'm going to give you a link to go and pick it up, girl. And you know I'm going to keep it affordable. Make sure you guys watch until the end because that's when I'm going to reveal my examples of each of those type of wigs. So if you don't know where to get it, you don't know examples for it, you don't want to go searching for this wig style, I got you, girl. I have to prime my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm going to come back. But what I will show you guys is the eyebrow pencil that I use. You already know this is the pencil that I use. It is a shaper and it is from Amazon. Now the link for this has always been in the description under makeup tools. I got up here and I started. Girl. Number 5. I feel like a DJ. Number 5. Number 5 would have to be a classic straight black middle part unit. You guys, a classic middle part unit can just be so versatile. You can wear her up, wear her down. Definitely more for like a date night and when you're going out. And I don't really wear it as much for like workwear. Sometimes with it being a middle part, like the hair can get in your face a lot. But what I will say outfit wise and going out wise as far as nightlife or just going out period, having that sleek middle part in a straight unit in like a natural color as well, honey, you could put it with anything. So if you're going on a trip and you just don't know what type of hairstyle to get, what type of wig to bring, take you, ooh, child, drop the whole sponge. Take you a straight middle part wig and you will be good to go, honey. Okay, good to go, regardless of the fit. All right, moving right along. Number 4, the number 4 type of wig that you definitely need in your wig closet is a easy, no parting space, curly, throw on and go unit. Now, these curly units are great when they're in a natural texture, girl, because that means the longer you wear it, the more you wear it, the better it is going to look in time. I have a unit like that I literally have had for like 2+ years. Oh, child, I dropped it again. This thing just don't want to stay in my hand. Like, honestly, you don't want me to get my makeup done. You just don't want me to look fly. Textured unit is a curly unit, no parting space, full wig. And I have had that thing for 2+ years. And the more I wear it, the better that she looks. And I know if I don't have no wig to wear, honey, I could pull Shirley out the closet and Shirley is going to get me right. Okay, she is going to get me right and tight. And I could take her wherever. Wherever. So that is why Shirley is number 4. Oh. So you guys, the number 3 wig style that you need in your closet is a lace front or some type of, yeah, I would say lace front. Would be a lace front or at least some type of parting closure curly wig that's a little bit longer than a bob. Now the reason why I say this, you guys, is because a curly wig is very, very versatile and you want one that's going to be able to be laid and slayed and look really, really good. It's going to look great with all different types of outfits, and again, you can dress it up and down, whether it's for work, for play, you know, a girl's social, a date night. That type of wig is definitely going to take you there, and it's gonna allow you to be able to expand upon your outfit or your whatever trend or style that you're going for that night. That curly wig can help you do that. And then also you're able to take very basic outfits and basic looks and make them big and bold with curly hair. Now I suggest that it be around the length that my shirt stops at. Maybe even a little bit shorter if you are a shorter person, but around this shoulder length and up, really around this shoulder length is where I would suggest that the length of that curly wig be. And then this one needs to be not a full wig, so it needs to have some type of parting space, whether that be a lace parting space or a lace frontal. As long as it's curly and you're able to lay it down and you have some type of area to blend with your hair, that is the type of style that you need for number 3. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna get into number 2 as I go ahead and add on my groundbreaker. I be calling this the wrong thing every time. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. That's what it's called. Again, I'm using the shade Groundbreaker. Girl, you need to pick you up some of this. I have like 3 or 4 shades, and I really wanted more, but I was trying not to get out of control. So the number 2, y'all, we are almost finished, style that you need in your wig closet, guarantee every girl needs, okay? Every girl needs is a consistent, I look crazy. Why am I saying it like this? I really need to finish this lip before I even say it because I look nuts. Reliable and affordable human hair units. Yes, you guys, you have to have that. At least one really good human hair wig. Sometimes you just want to feel like money. So you might just be like me. Sometimes I just want to feel like money. Like, I just don't feel like wearing synthetic. No, you know, no shade to synthetic wigs. Because y'all know I love synthetic wigs. But sometimes your girl just want to feel like somebody, okay? And a human hair wig does that for me. Now, I want to feel like somebody, but I still want to be able to pay my bills. So I'm not going to go out and get a custom-made $500 units. No, ma'am. I haven't even done that yet in life. Okay, I'm not doing that. But what I will do is go and get me an affordable human hair wig and have it in my stash. Now, the great thing about that is you can wash and really take care of and reuse and rewear that human hair wig. It can last you for years, girl. For years, okay? You just need to be able to take care of it. And if you don't know how to do that, then you need to do your research because it's really not that difficult and it's really not that much different than taking care of a synthetic wig. But yes, ma'am. There are some great affordable wig options. If you are wary about buying a human hair wig, I totally understand, but please understand this. Amazon is your best friend. I have reviewed a ton of affordable human hair wigs from Amazon, and honestly, they be coming through. So I will link some below for you guys, and I will definitely give you an example of a few. What is this on my teeth? That's the only thing you gotta be careful about these lipsticks, y'all, because they will have you out here looking crazy, like crazy. Now I'm a little paranoid because I be wearing them and I be like, girl. But yes, get you an affordable human hair wig. All you need is one good one, to be honest, okay? If I were you and you're starting off, I would get a wet and wavy, or I would get, is it wet and wavy? Yeah, I would start with a wet and wavy one because they seem to be very, very consistent and they don't take much styling because it's wet and wavy. And you can wet them and just hit the roll, girl. So that is my suggestion to you. But of course, I got you and I'm going to put some examples in the description below. Okay, girl, we're on to the number 1, number 1 wig that you have to have in your wig closet. Everybody needs this style. The number 1 style that you need, honey, a bob. Boom, a natural colored. I prefer a 2 or a 1B. You may like a 1B or 1 bob that hits you, boom, right there. That just lays so beautiful. Everybody needs a natural colored bob, period. Period. They are perfect for work. Y'all know I am a bob lover. Bob Central over here. At one point, all I was reviewing was bobs. Everybody needs a consistent, natural color bob that you could just throw out. Bob, you could wear it to work and you can still wear it all throughout the day. Girl, you can wear it all throughout the week. Everywhere you need to go, that bob is going to be there for you. That bob is going to be your best friend. That bob is going to have you slaying and looking classy and professional. So that is the number 1 style that everybody needs in their wig closet. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me and my little ball slick head talk about these styles that you need. And if you have not picked up these styles and you don't have them in your wig arsenal, in your wig closets, go ahead and click those links in the description and pick you up some, girl. Even if you're just browsing and shopping, pick you up these styles because I promise you, it's going to make it so much easier and you won't have to do those emergency wig shopping like last minute, I don't have nothing I could wear. If you have at least 2 to 3 of these styles on this list, girl, you will never have those type of issues, okay? And I know because I have multiples of each in my wig closet. I'm just telling y'all the truth. One day I'll show y'all my shame and glory in my wig closet, but girl, it won't be today because, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you share. That is the most important and and the best thing that you can do to support me in this channel is to share this video. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.